I'm Bob Boucher, president of the Superior Conservancy, which is a new nonprofit organization. I'd like to share with you this video, which explains our organization.
Uphold a Sand County Almanac. The Superior Bioconservancy is an ambitious plan to protect and restore the biological integrity and hydrology of the Lake Superior watershed and the Laurentian Forest Province. The goal is to restore and support its biodiversity, genetic exchange, ecosystem services, and evolutionary processes for future generations. This will be a healthcare plan for this bioregion of the Earth. Lake Superior is the largest and most important freshwater body in the Western Hemisphere. The Laurentian Forest is the Northwoods bioregion of the Western Great Lakes. It includes parts of Wisconsin, Minnesota, Michigan, and Ontario. This is a high carbon landscape of more than 88,000 square miles and has demonstrated the capacity to recover its primary features. That high resilience can give the planet a significant drawdown of atmospheric carbon. The recovery of beaver populations, as well as wolves, is critical to preserving biodiversity, water quality, and forest health. Beavers, as ecosystem engineers, create wetland habitats for plants and animals. Beaver wetlands restore the hydrology of rivers by improving water quality, recharging aquifers, and stabilizing watersheds, which reduces flooding. As wolves have recovered, different species in the forest have recovered, adding to its rich biodiversity. Forests are stronger, healthier when wolves are part of the ecosystem. All the parts and pieces are needed to make the machinery of nature hum in tune. We will also effectively advocate for the creation of protected wildlife corridors to connect large tracts of public forest land to avoid fragmentation. This public land asset of federal, state, and county forest is over 33,000 square miles, an area 10 times larger than Yellowstone. This landscape also has a unique overlay of tribal usufructuary rights across the Ojibwe ceded territory. Those rights are sovereign and serve as a protective conservation easement for biodiversity on all public lands. Our collaborative conservation plan will utilize these covenants and aid in establishing a land ethic for the Superior Bioconservancy.
I hope you enjoyed our video. I'd like to outline for you our plans in greater detail. This map shows the Laurentian Mixed Forest Province in green and the Lake Superior watershed in yellow. This is the area of our focus. This map shows the public-owned lands, forested lands, equaling 21 million acres. And in blue on this map, you can see some of the proposed connecting corridors discussed in the video. Those corridors are better seen here on this map. These are privately held lands, forest lands, totaling over 7 million acres. Overlaying much of this region are the tribal ceded territory, which is owned by the Ojibwe as part of their tribal rights. At the Superior Bioconservancy, we are committed to working with the indigenous communities and upholding those tribal rights. Our pilot project we are working on with the tribes and with other land trusts is to build a corridor across the Bad River watershed. This is the start of creating to make this region whole again, turning the blue on this map into all green. Thank you, and please reach out to us if you would like to work with us and collaborate. Thank you.